Okay, I'm sharing the presentation, so you can write this in your notebook. It's the same topic of yesterday. We have more exercises to practice. Multiplying with 2 digits numbers with regrouping. So it's the same topic of yesterday, but you can copy. I'm going to give you 1 minute so you can copy again the topic, write the day. Write the day in your notebook. Today it's Wednesday, 24th. Do you finish the copy?
No.
Yes. Okay, let's go now. Yes, in your notebook, let's copy these exercises and we're going to solve it also. We're going to solve this exercise.
Oh, finish.
What is the topic?
What is the topic, class? It's the same of yesterday. Multiplying.
Multiply 2-digit numbers with a group.
Numbers with regroup. That is the topic in case that you didn't finish. Now, copy this in your notebook also, and we're going to solve them. What are we going to do? Remember, we have 49 times 5. We start with the 1. So let's multiply the number that it's on the ones. In 49, it's number 9. So we multiply digit number 1, that it's 9. 5 times 9 or 9 times 5. What is the answer of 5 times 9 or 9 times 5? Fernando?
45.
45. Now we write the number 5, we regroup the number 5, and the number 40 of 45 is going to be on the tens. Now we regroup it. Yes, on the 4. Now 4 times 5 or 5
24.
times 4.
24.
24. 20.
16.
16.
40.
This in my notebook, Miss.
40.
20 plus the 4, 24. That's right. So that is our answer. 245 is the answer. As you can notice, we just copied the 24 because we don't have more digits. We multiplied the 2 digits by 5. Let's put it. The same we're going to do in number 2, 3, and so on. All the times we start with the ones. Now, who wants to try this one? 97 times 8.
Me. I try, Miss.
Mia? Which number we're going to multiply first, Mia? Which number?
7 multiply 8.
That's right, 7 times 8. What's the answer?
Wait.
Or 8 times 7 is the same. We say 7 times 8 or 8 times 7.
Es lo mismo. 49.
In English, what is the answer, class? 7 times 8.
Es que se me olvidó.
54.
56.
54, 56.
64. No. Eso es
56.
No, 54.
54, says Marcela. What do you think, class? What is the answer of 7 times 8?
64.
56.
No, 6. No.
No, 60. 56. So which number we copied here down? Number 6, that's right, Hermes. And number 5, we're going to regroup it. Now we have 8 times 9 or 9 times 8. What is the answer of 9 times 8?
77.
72.
72 plus 5 is 77. That's right. And that's the answer. How do you read this number?
756.
776. Excellent. So that's the answer. Great.
I know the other answer.
You know, Danny? Okay, Danny, 68 times 4.
274.
274. Is it
72.
correct, this answer?
72.
Mia says 72.
No, it's 72.
Okay, let's check this, Mia.
It's 72.
4 times 8 or 8 times 4. What's the answer of this? 4 times 8.
32.
32.
Yeah, 22.
22 or what, Mia? 4 times 8.
Yeah, 32, sorry.
32, so we write the 2, that's right. And we copy the 3, we regroup. Now, 6 times 4 or 4 times 6. What's the answer of 6 times 4 or 4 times 6 is the same?
24.
24 plus 3.
27.
27, that's right. So it's 272. That is the answer. Okay, excellent. Let's read the next one. We have 68 times $9.
272.
272.
72. Or 8 plus 9 equals 72.
Okay, 72. Okay, we write the 2 and the 7, and then Lucia.
64.
Plus 7.
Plus 7. Miss, I had the answer. 408.
No, 68 times 9 is 408. This one?
No, toda la respuesta es esa.
This one, 408. Are you sure that it's 408?
No.
Oh, what is the answer, class? We have 9 times 8. Your classmates say it's 72. We write number 2 in regroup. Now, 6 times 9 plus 7.
61.
61. That's right, 61. So our answer is 612, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that is the answer. You need to check. Okay, I'm going to write one more time.
612.
612. Now, 73 times 6, class. What's the answer of 73 times 6?
18.
Okay, 18, 6 times 3.
488.
Again, one more time.
488. 488.
488 says Mia. Okay, let's check. 6 times 3.
No.
What's the answer? 6 times-
38,
Oh,
miss.
sorry, 830. Okay, 6 times 3 equals to 18. Okay, we have number 1. We have to write it down here. And 6 times 7 plus 1 is 43. Yes, it's correct. $438. The sign of dollar. We're going to copy because we're going to multiply the dollars. So we need to write it down here. That's the sign.
$148. I finished me.
Don't forget that that it's all the times we start with the ones, multiplying the ones all the times. So we need to remember the tables. If we don't know the tables, even though we know that we start with the ones, it's going to be a mistake. And also we need to remember when we're regrouping, don't forget to add this number 1, this number 7, this number 3 that we're adding. Because if you forget, if you say just 4 times 6, 24, and you didn't add the number 3, it's going to be wrong, the answer. So we need to always, all the times, remember that we need to add the number that we're regrouping. Questions about this class? Joshua, Isabella, Camila, your video? No? Did you finish? Okay, let's go to the next slide. If you finished, let's go to the next slide now. We have more exercises. Let's copy this. Let's copy this and solve in your notebook. We have 46 times 3, 32 times 8, 61 times 4. The other, it's $55 times 3 and $79 times 8. So we start 6 times 3 or 3 times 6. What's the answer, Rebecca? 6 times 3. 18, that's right. Now 4 times 3 plus 1.
13.
13, that's right. Because 4 times 3, it's 12 plus 1, 13. So that's the answer of number 1. Alberto, 32 times 8. We start multiplying 2 times 8. What's the answer of 2 times 8, Alberto?
I have a comment. Please.
2 times 8 or 8 times 2.
Please, can you listen to me? Please?
Okay, hold on, Caleb.
No, please, I have a comment. Please, the homework of yesterday no me funcionaban.
16.
Language homework, yes, the link, it was a mistake. I already uploaded one more time. The
Teacher,
link, it was not
16.
working. 16, okay. Yes, Caleb, don't worry. You have the homework there. It was a mistake, the link. So I fixed that because the link wasn't working. But now it's you have the correct link. Now 8 times 3,
20,
what's the answer of 8
20.
times 3?
20. 20.
25.
20.
25. 25.
25.
25.
20.
Okay, let's check this answer. Some of you say 20, 25. What's the answer of 8 times 3, class? 8 times 3.
20.
8.
20.
24.
20.
24.
Okay, let's see. 8 times 1. Who can tell me what's the answer of 8 times 1? Times 1.
8.
8. 8
Four.
times 2? 8 times 2?
24.
8. No.
8 times 2?
16.
16. 8 times 3?
24.
24. That's right. So it's 24, not 20. 24 plus 1 equal to 25.
25.
That's right. It's correct, this answer. Remember the tables. We need to review the tables. 61 times 4, class. We start multiplying 1 times 4 or 4 times 1. It's the same answer.
4.
Equal 4. That's right. So we write the number 4 here. 4 times 6 or 6 times 4.
244. 36.
45.
36
No, 44.
times 4.
30. Not 244.
36.
43.
No, 244.
43.
Not 244.
Okay, let's check this answer. Your classmate said that it's 6 times 4 is 36. Let's see. 4 times 1.
4.
4 times 2.
4.
4 times 2.
8.
4 times 3.
12.
4 times 4.
12.
16. 4 times 5.
20.
20. And 4 times 6.
24.
24. So it's not 36. It's 24. So it's going to be 200.
Yeah.
44, Mia, that's
44.
right. 244. Remember, you need to continue studying the tables. I want to ask you the tables in math in all the classes now because I see that you are still forgetting the tables. Now, 55 times 3. We multiply 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. This one.
15.
15. So we write number 1 and we regroup the 1. Okay, 5 times 3 plus 1.
16.
16, that's right. So we have our answer 165. Okay, I'm going to write the sign of the bullet. And next, the last one, it's 79 times $8.
Please, I want to participate.
72.
Yes, Silencio.
Okay, now 7 times 8.
63.
63 plus 7.
Yeah. 63.
63.
63. 63. I have the
Okay,
answers.
7. Let's check. Mia, that's the answer that you have, 702?
No, not 600. 600. Look, no, the answer is this.
32. Okay, that's the answer of Mia. Let's check the answer. Now, we have 9 times 8 equals 72. That's right. So we write the number 2 and we copy number 7. Now, class, what's the answer of 7 times 8 or 8 times 7?
56.
Okay, 56 plus 7.
63.
Equals 63. That's right. The tables, we need to review the tables. We need to review the tables, class. The table of 7, the table of 6. I see that you need to review the table of 7, the table of 6, and 8. Okay, so there are the answers. Let's write it down here. Sign of dollar. Okay, these are the answers. All of these exercises, you can find it also in page 87. Now, open your book, page 87. Page 87. It's missing the exercise number 20. We're going to work on number 20. Number 10 to number 19, you work, but in your notebook. So you have the answer of those exercises in your notebook. Now, let's work on number 20. Yes, page 87. 87.
Me salí porque tuve un problema con el internet.
Okay, Josh, got it. Page 87, class. Let's work on page 87. 87, it's not 88, page 87. We have exercise number 20. It says, write a rule, find the unknown numbers. As you can notice, we have here 2 exercises. Number 1, we have the cartoon and the X. So it says, we are going to find the missing numbers and the rules. Let's identify this one. Number 1 here, let's write it down. Letter C is an abbreviation and the letter E for the X. That's going to stand for the letter E for X. Now, we have 1, when we have 1 cartoon, we have 12X. When we have 24X, it means that we have 2 of them. Now, how many X do we have when we have 3 cartoons? How can we get this answer, class? If you can notice, we have 12 in 1, 24 in 2. And for number 3, it's missing. Number 4, we have 48. In number 5, we need to look for that number. 36. How do you get this answer, Marcelo? This 36. It's 36, that's right. But how do you know that it's 36, Marcelo? Lucia, how do you know that it's 36?
Estimate number 3 is
4 plus 4
36.
times 12 equals 48.
That's right, you multiply by 12. So it means that if you multiply 1 times 12, it equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. 12 times 3 equals 36. 12 times 4, 48. And what's the answer of 12 times 5? are multiple. 60. So let's write it down. 60. Okay, so the rule here now we're going to write rule. We can say it, so with this rule, we need to multiply the letter C by 12. So in this case, the letter C, remember, is this. In this case, so we multiply 3 times 12, 4 times 12, 5 times 12 to get it. The same we're going to do in number 21. We have row and seats. So let's make it letter. Let's write the letter R for row and the letter S for seats. We have number 2. When we have 2 rows, we have 32 seats. When we have 3 rows, we have 48 seats. When we have 4, we have 64 seats. Now we're looking for 5 and 6. How can we get these answers, class?
160, the 5. 160.
160 here? No.
18. No, 8.
80. 80.
80.
Lucia, how do you get the 80?
But in the table of A is se salta 1 and he goes by 8 by 4.
So which number you multiply? Remember, we are multiplying here. The rule in this case is gonna be multiply again. Multiply in this case, that is letter R, by which number we're multiplying? By 16. If you multiply 16 times 2 equal 32. 16 times 3 equal 48. 16 times 4, 64 is the answer. 16 times 5, the product is 80. Now, what's the answer of 16 times 6?
96.
It's going to be 96. That's right. So let's write it down. 96. We're multiplying the number of rows, multiply the row by 16 to get the answer of the next row, row number 6. Yes? Questions about this? How do we get these answers, class? Is it clear? Any question?
No.
No? No? Okay, let me check the attendance. Let's see. Ana, Andrea, and Camila.
Present.
Camila? No, Camila. Gabriela, Isabela, Kiara.
Present.
Gabriela is on here. Lucia, Mia, and Rebecca.
Present.
Rosa, Valerie, and Ziyan.
Present.
Okay, excellent. Alberto, Donnie.
Present.
Fernando, Hermes.
Present.
Joshua, Khaled.
Present.
Marcelo, Santiago Hernández, and Santiago Chávez.
Present.
Okay. Santiago Hernández.
Present.
Okay, great. Santiago Chávez. Okay, excellent. No question about this, class. Did you finish the copy?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, just show me your book. Show me your book if you finished. Let me see that you are working your book and your notebook, please. Okay, excellent. Thank you. Okay, let's finish here. You don't have homework in math, remember? So just page 69. Page 69, if you haven't worked on that, you need to work. Bye-bye. See you next class.
Bye.